Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a virtual trip to Short Springs State Natural Area, a hidden gem nestled in Tennessee. This natural area is a paradise for hikers, with trails that center to all experience levels. The jewel in the crown is the Laurel Bluff Loop, a scenic 5-mile hike that takes you past 3 cascading waterfalls: Machine Falls, Atom Falls, and Busby Falls. But Short Springs State Natural Area offers more than just waterfalls. Lush forests, diverse wildlife, and stunning natural beauty make it a perfect escape for nature lovers. So if you're looking for a day trip with adventure and breathtaking scenery, Short Springs State Natural Area is definitely worth checking out.